Play. What's that? Michael Jackson. Okay, his child version. Why is burning that? Okay. Turn out to be older. Older Michael Jackson. Okay, again using it. And what's that? Again younger one. Nice artworks. Play. What is guys doing? Okay, USB cable. That shadow made that USB cable into a art, man. That's great. Play. Where is the face? Look at the 3D details. She's adding those balls and ear, sorry. Play. Okay, there are just parts of jeans. Okay, what's the final part? I'm curious. Oh, it looks something like portrait. Oh, look at that detail. Play. Which one is real art? Okay, which one are real eyes? Play. What is this person is doing? Okay, she's using mehndi. We in India uses mehndi a lot. Okay, those smaller designs look cool. Okay, this is an art form which is little bit, I can say, not recognized much, but this art form is cool too. People used to do it till now, and of course we Indians will do it in future too, in marriages and this type of things, like religious things, and not basically realistic religious things. Oh, that mehndi looked too cool.